Okay. You won this round. I won.
Alright, let's get back to the screen. Okay, so I won this round. He lost. Now it's me against here.
Aiden.
Get in the screen, dude. Aiden. Now, you hold the screen up now.
Hurry up, Dave. The save's all the.
Evelyn, hold the screen up.
Okay, let me go.
Alright, so I'll start out. 4 shots.
I'm reloading my referee gun.
Referee gun? Oh yeah.
This is my referee gun. Who shall not? This thing does not even float.
Okay, so we're almost
Wait,
done
it's
with the
holding
fight.
itself.
No, dude, I know, but you have to hold it like this, flat, so you have to hold it flat.
Wait, I have an idea. How do we put? Okay, just go. All right, you guys film.
Okay.
Go play. I will shoot you with my referee gun.
2, 1, time! Got you once.
Aiden's so bad. Aiden, you don't stand a chance. Oh,
Got you 2 times.
No, I didn't see that hit. I'm not gonna count it.
Well, you gotta
No,
get the ammo off the ground, bro.
Let him reload.
It's in the bucket. Sheesh.
It's in the bucket with the huge animal. Aiden, you're going right to you too.
You blind? It's right next to you.
Who was that?
Got you 3 times.
One more shot, Aiden.
No! This annoying.
Yeah, that gun sucks. I reckon you need a different gun.
I'm loading, dude. Jesus.
You can't shoot Aiden. No bad words. You can't shoot the poor sap when he's reloading.
Oh no.
Just fire!
Got you 4 times.
Oh, Aiden's out. Aiden,
All right.
it's me.
So I won that time, and this is a drink break right now. So, see ya. We're just gonna be back in a little bit. Don't be upset if we're not back later.
Bye. Can I turn off the camera?
No. All right.
Is that Pepsi? What the?
No, this is just water. It's my dad's company.
Green water. Oh, your dad owns a company?
Yeah.
Look at my hand.
And so our drink break is almost over, and then it's gonna be Aiden against Devlin.
And guess who's gonna win? Aiden.
No, Devlin's gonna win.
No, he's not. You can't bet on that. You cannot bet on it.
All right.
Wait. Come here.
All right, drink break is done. Now,
Dude, I have a question. Jace, come over here. Oh, Jason.
what up?
No, dude, don't shoot the camera. No, dude, that wasn't. Dude, that wasn't dramatic enough.
Are you immortal or something? Yep, you're immortal. I'm done.
All right.
All right.
Are you ready to fight?
So I'm holding the camera this time.
Thank you.
Aiden and Devlin. So Aiden here has something to say.
I don't know.
Say something cool.
I hope I win.
Yeah, that's not cool. All right, say something amazing to the camera.
Well, I really do hope I beat my 5-year-old brother.
Now that's awesome. Now they're gonna fight in 3,
Let me
2,
Jeez, give me some time.
1. Go!
I thought you were him.
Who shot?
That was him, but he missed.
All right,
Got you.
and he got it once. So Aiden's going in the garage.
Got you twice.
Aiden's going in the garage. So he's going in there, and So he shot, he missed. He got him 2 times. He's up to 2.
No, he landed right there.
Nope, it's up to 2.
Aiden, you're so good.
Come on, get your brother.
I'm reloading. 1 second.
He's
What?
reloading. He's going after his brother. Going after his brother. Now he's getting more ammo. Put him in. Now he's about to shoot. The shooter right next to me.
Oh, my stomach.
All right, 3 times shot.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. It's a Nerf dart. Oh, sorry.
Dude, it's a Nerf war. That's mean. You're mean to me,
Two in
shot.
a row, dude.
You're mean to me, shot. It's a Nerf war, dude.
Yeah, dude, you died. Hit me in the stomach so bad.
Yeah, you're acting like you've never done worse a Nerf
No,
war.
look, he was right here. I was way over there, and he shoot me on the stomach.
Yeah, okay.
It's called Nerf war, Aiden.
Yeah. All right. 1 more shot, and he is down.
What about me?
Shoot it from far away. And shoot!
Oh my God, where did my bullet go?
He lost the bullet. Here, it's right here.
Dude, you're so dead. I just don't know how.
Here's your bullet.
No, guys.
Whose bullet? Here. Here's
Oh,
your
thanks
bullet.
for the ammo. I can smoke it. Oh God! Oh, I shot you!
Yo!
You savage! And you're dead.
Yo, that was savage right there.
Oh, you missed, guys. I'm not trying to find him. I'm just thinking of ways I can kill him.
Hey, dude. Do a dramatic dab.
What kind of dab is that? That's
I don't know. Okay, it's a camera dab.
That's called the falling. That's called the falling dab. It's like when you're falling from an aircraft.
Woo.
Hey, Dad! Why are you so stupid at this game?
Okay, so that was an epic dab.
Oh my God!
He shot. 1 more shot, and Aiden's down.
I just don't know how to kill him. I don't want to kill my.
I'm gonna get in my mom's car for
my
safety.
God. Oh.
I'm getting in my mom's car for safety. I'm in my mom's car, so. Aiden's right there. Can you battle right in front of me? Battle! And he died! Devlin is the winner! So Devlin's the winner for this one.
It's super easy. Why do you always say
And that, I'm going to have to say that is the end of our video. Please subscribe. And maybe even slap that like button. Slap that like button so hard it's not even a like button anymore.